Sandbox!
I called and he's like, dude, I live a half hour from there. I'm like, you're shitting me. I'm like, I have an excuse. We have an excuse to get together.
We're still running the other 3 stages, so we're looking at another 3 hours. Plus all the bullshit.
Well, we've done.
We're doing 5.
No, I've just been since lunchtime. And what time is it now? Hour per stage for 10 shooters.
They should
Started yet?
We're just finishing up. We got 2 shooters there. What else is going on down here? Because I know they said from here we go all the way down, but I don't hear anything else going on. So is there? Where is everybody else? I guess there's some.
Well, yeah, we. Wasn't supposed to work out with me being away like
smacked him once.
today and then. Somehow my wife
Trying to decide if I should go home.
but I have to work.
All day, guys.
Thanks for letting me
Took you out here 2 weeks ago.
I got put under the impression that this was like a Saturday morning.